Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to use circle to search in OnePlus Nord CE5 with gesture layout. So here follow these steps. Open settings. Scroll down. Tap on system and update. Tap on system navigation. Here you can see gesture mode is enabled. Scroll down. Make sure circle to search option is enabled. Now let us check how to use circle to search feature. Let me open Photos app. Now tap and hold the navigation line at the bottom. You can see the navigation line at the bottom. Simply tap and hold it. Now circle the object in the image that you want to search. See, the circle to search is working in gesture mode. Now let me open Chrome browser. Now if you want to know the more information about this particular news, then again press and hold the gesture line at the bottom. Then circle this particular news. You can see that circle to search is working. So that's how you can use the circle to search features in OnePlus Nord using gesture layout. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.